In this video, we are going to go over creating a work plan. When you log into Illinois WorkNet and click on the Customer Support Center, you'll be taken here to the group search page. Any group that you've been given access to will be listed here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. Then click on Workplan and Reports. At the top, it will say Project Narrative and Work Plan. You'll want to first select your program year from the drop-down and select the navigator. Here, you will see a previously existing project plan, or you can click Submit Project Plan to submit a new plan. So today, I'm going to demonstrate how to submit a new project plan, so go ahead and click the button. The first section is called the project narrative. You'll want to select your grantee number. And then the next section says grantee staff responsible for key project activities. This is a list of partners in your program. So you'll want to go through each list and assign who will do which part. There is an other dropdown if needed. The next section is for the project overview. I have put in a very short overview, but the project overview includes a high-level description of the project and the goals scheduled for it. Next, click on the project plan section. The project plan section provides a way to add activities. These are the activities for your goals. So you'll want to type in the activity, the deliverable. I'm typing in very short answers here. But you'll want to include as much information as possible. And please be aware that when you put these in, they do require a help request to have removed. So you'll want to make sure that you put in the information correctly. Next, it's going to have you select the staff responsible for that activity. And then it's going to have you select the activity date. The activity start date is normally the beginning of your grant funding period. After you have all of your information in, click Save. You can see that your activity shows up with the information that you put in. The next section is Program Activities and Outcome Plan Numbers, projects serving individuals. If you are working with individuals, you will put in information here. If you are not, you'll want to put in a 0. I am quickly going to put in some numbers for this section. Again, these are random numbers. Your numbers will be according to your plan. And you can just tab through each one of these, making it easier to work through rather than having to click your mouse or your cursor into each box. And the last section is for the navigator tools, the program activities and outcome plan numbers, capacity building activities, funding, and outcomes. The numbers that you would put in for here would be the number of people that are completing these activities. After you have put in your numbers, click Save. Up at the top, it says this project plan has been saved, and you will now see the new project plan that you added.